So guys, meet my baby, and this is a real look. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. I've not really been active here, and I've been busy trying to sort out some things. You know, now as we're growing, we need to sort out some things in life, and I'm almost done with my service. I'm trying to do my final clearance. At the same time, I'm trying to pack my things back to Lagos because I'm not going to be staying in Jos, and I just have so many things to sort out. So I've not really been active here, but trust me, once I get back to Lagos, we'll kickstart again, and then we'll start going again and again and again and again. Okay, so I have new subscribers here. I have about 15 new subscribers. You guys are welcome to my channel, and for those of you who has been here before, you also Harry is crying. You're also welcome back to my channel. So I know everybody will be wondering if I've given birth. Maybe I've been pregnant or something. So at the end of this video, you know if the baby is mine or not. So let me go straight into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be making donuts. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my donuts fluffy and soft. I'm going to be giving you guys the full recipe of my donuts. So you guys should sit down and watch. So guys, I'm just going to start by sieving out my flour, just to remove any excessive dirt. Then I'll add my milk. Then I'll go in with my sugar, my yeast, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of flavor and my egg to the flour. Then I'll add just a little bit of sugar, just to give it a little bit of taste. When I'm done, I'm going to add sugar and my donuts. Some people doesn't like their donuts with sugar, so that's why I'm adding just a little bit, and then I'm using water to mix my donuts. And now I'm just going to add my butter into the mixture. I like adding my butter at this stage. I don't know, but I just like adding my butter at this stage. I don't like adding it from the beginning. So I'm just going to continue mixing till I get my desired paste. So now guys, I'm just going to cover it with a clean towel just for it to swell up a bit, and after that, now it's a bit swollen. I could not wait too much because of time. So now it's a bit swollen, and I'm just going to mix it back and then cut it into the desired shape that I want. So guys, I'm just going to use this kitchen scale to measure my donuts just to make sure they are the same size or almost the same size. I'm going to be using 100 gram, but I'll be fine with 99 gram or 101 gram. It doesn't have to be completely 100 gram because I'm not selling it, just for me. So just after measuring, I'm going to make it flat. Then I'm going to pick the edges till I get the round shape. I'm going to do this twice for you guys to see. So after measuring again, I make it flat with my hand. And then after making it flat, I'm just going to turn it and then pick the edges till it's giving me the round shape again. So now, as you can see guys, my donut is swollen, and I'm just going to be using this sharp to speak edge to make the ring in the middle. So I'm going to do just the way you see, and then I'm just going to deep fry. Depending on how brown you want your donut to be, determines how long it's going to stay in the pot. I like mine golden brown, and I'm just going to remove it now at this stage. And then I'm just going to add some sugar on it just to give it that sweetness. And I didn't add a lot of sugar from the start. So thanks for watching guys. This is how I make my soft and fluffy donuts.